Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today we'll talk about the charcoal lower panels which are trending in interior designs. So in this video we'll cover what are the charcoal lower panels, their sizes, their price, installation process and where we can use them. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So what are the charcoal lower panels? Actually, charcoal lower panels are a modern stylish wall panels made from charcoal and other materials. They enhance the look of walls, ceilings, kitchens, living rooms. These panels are waterproof, termite proof and eco-friendly, making them durable and long lasting. So where we use this charcoal lower panels, we can use for living room for TV units or the feature walls, in bedrooms as headboards or wall decorations, and for even a bathroom also for ideal for walls due to waterproof properties, and even in the ceiling also with WPC boards for false ceilings. These panels comes in various sizes like first sizes of length will be 8 feet and the width will be 5 inches and the thickness is 6 mm, and the price starting is 1100 rupees per piece, and in each box 20 pieces is there. Another size of is 9 feet will be the length and width will be 5 inches and the thickness will be 8 to 10 mm, and this price starts from 1300 rupees per piece, and total one box 20 pieces are available. So these are the sizes, like another size is 8 feet and the price will be 1100 rupees, and another one is 9 feet, so it comes in two sizes. Now we will know the installation process. So follow the steps to install the charcoal lower panels. First one is the preparation of wall. So for damp or moist walls, install 12 mm marine plywood. For dry walls, you can install panels directly. And for installation step, first one is requires the glue application. Use high quality of glue like Fevicol Pro Band or Fevicol SH998 to stick the panels to the walls. Second one is the nailing. So secure the panels with the small nails on the sides, ensuring that they are placed in the interlocking section to remain hidden. Another one is the interlocking procedure. Arrange the panels to interlock seamlessly, giving the wall a uniform look. Another one is the cutting. So trim panels to fit the wall or table size if needed. And last one is the finishing. So add the profile lights or white texture panels on the sides for an attractive finish. Press the panels firmly to ensure they adhere properly. So now we will going to discuss the cost estimation. So suppose our wall size is 10 by 10, which is 100 square feet, and for the panel cost, one panel will cost you 1100 rupees. So for each panel will cover the 3.75 square feet area. So we require the 24 panels. So if we'll multiply with 1100 rupees each panel into 24, the price comes is 26,400 rupees. And another material we require is the Fevicol. For 2 liters it will cost almost 1100 rupees. Another one is the nail cost, so 100 rupees for nails. And for installing labor we require, so they will charge from 15 rupees per square feet, so it another 1500 rupees for the labor charges. So we will add everything like 26,400 for panels cost, and second for 1100 rupees for the glue, and 1500 rupees for the labor charges, and 100 rupees for the nails. So total comes is to almost comes 29,500 rupees. So this is the way you can calculate your room size. So if your room size is 10 by 15, so you can multiply this 150 into rate of the panels. So friends, these beautiful charcoal lower panels have benefits like waterproof and termite proof, which resistance to moisture and pests, and is eco-friendly, made from sustainable materials, and it is durable, long lasting with low maintenance, and it will get varieties of designs available in craft designs, textures with profile lights. And for design tips, always like contrast look. So pair the charcoal panels with white texture panels. Add the profile lights on the sides for a modern look. And another one is the cutting and fitting. So measure accurately for a clean finish. Ensure proper interlocking to hide the joints. So for more details on designs, patterns and texture of charcoal lovers, you can check my full video. And still you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So friends, that's it. Charcoal panels are a fantastic way to give your home a modern and stylish look. So in this video I explain the cost, durability and easy to maintain and the process for installing. So friends, if you like this video, then please like, share this video to your friends and keep supporting to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.